Hey, what's up you guys? If you're going to be towing a trailer with your Subaru Ascent, you're going to need trailer wiring. It's required by the law. Let's go ahead and break down that really easy install. You'll need the tool seen here to complete this installation. So Subaru makes this really easy for us. They have a pre-wired tow harness right underneath our storage tray right here in the cargo area. So to get to that, we're going to start by removing our flooring. Next, we're going to remove the shade. Now on top of our storage tray, underneath this carpet, we have 7 blue pins that we're going to pull up on. So now inside our storage tray, we're going to remove this cover right here. And this will give us a handle right here so we can go ahead and pull up on our storage tray. And then we'll go ahead and remove it. So that exposes our wiring harness where we'll plug into. And then we'll take our wiring harness and we'll plug it in. Now we're going to take our white wire with the terminal and we're going to ground it right underneath our rear threshold panel. We're going to use the provided self-tapping screw. Now in our fuse holder, we're going to insert the included 10 amp fuse. So let's go over some storage options for your 4-flat harness. You can leave it in your cargo area in the storage tray that we removed and pull it out of your trunk when you need to use it. Or if you want to mount it next to your hitch receiver, we have a grommet right over here on the driver's side that we can pull our wiring down through. So we'll go ahead and remove that grommet. And then we'll push our 4-flat down underneath our vehicle. With our 4-flat connector underneath our vehicle, we're going to route it over and through our bumper support to keep it away from the exhaust towards our hitch receiver. Now to reinstall our grommet, we're going to have to cut a slit halfway through for our wiring harness to sit into. So we're just going to use some wire snippers. And we're going to put our harness into that slit and reinstall it. Now we're going to take our converter box and our extra wires and we're going to tuck it behind our driver's side paneling. And then we'll reinstall our cargo area. So to get access to our receiver hitch, we're going to remove our panel right here. It's held in by 2 push pins on the bottom. Just going to remove that using a flathead screwdriver. And then we'll pull up on the panel right here. And that will give us access to our receiver hitch. Now we're going to reach in behind our bumper and we're going to locate and pull through our wiring. Now with the draw-tight hitch installed, it comes with a mounting plate with it. So we're going to secure our 4-flat harness on there using a 4-flat mounting bracket. This is not included with our kit, but you can pick it up at your closest U-Haul center or at uhaul.com. So we're going to take both of our screws and put it into the 2 holes of our mounting bracket. And we're going to line it up over the 2 holes on our mounting plate. Now that we have it in place, we're going to secure it with our nuts on the bottom. And then we'll tighten it using a 3/8 socket. Now we're going to put our dust cover on, and then we'll bring our harness into the bracket, and then we'll secure it with our dust cover. So with our wiring in place and all powered up, you're ready to tow a trailer. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need more information about this product, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with the U-Haul Hitch Professional, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch Center, or you can visit us at uhaulhitches.com. Thank you.